Hello, today we are going to start chapter number 18, calendar. Day of the week. There are 7 days in a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday is the first day of the week, Tuesday is the second day of the week, Wednesday is the third day of the week, Thursday is the fourth day of the week, Friday is the fifth day of the week, Saturday is the sixth day of the week, Sunday is the seventh and last day of the week. Answer the following questions. Which is the second day of the week? Tuesday. Which is the sixth day of the week? Saturday. Which day comes after Thursday? Friday. Which day comes before Tuesday? Monday. Which day lies between Tuesday and Thursday? Wednesday. Which day lies between Friday and Sunday? Saturday. Which day comes after Sunday? Monday. Fill in the blanks. There are 7 days in a week. Monday is the first day of the week. Fifth day of the week is Friday. Wednesday is the third day of the week. Sunday is the seventh day of the week. Friday comes after Thursday. Saturday comes before Sunday. Monday lies between Sunday and Tuesday. Thursday lies between Wednesday and Friday. Friday is the fifth day of the week. Month of a year. There are 12 months in a year. The name of the months in order are January, January, February, February, March, April, April, May, June, July, August, September, September, October, November, December. January is the first month of the year. February is the second month of the year. March is the third month of the year. April is the fourth month of the year. May is the fifth month of the year. June is the sixth month of the year. July is the seventh month of the year. August is the eighth month of the year. September is the ninth month of the year. October is the 10th month of the year. November is the 11th month of the year. December is the 12th month of the year. There are 365 days in a year. Answer the following questions. How many months are there in a year? 12. Which is the first month of the year? January, January. Which is the last month of the year? December, December. Which month come after May? June. Which month come after October? November. Which month come after August? September. Which month come before March? February. Which month come before February? January. Which month come before June? May. Which month lies between August and October? September. Which month come between July and September? August. Which is the 8th month of the year? August. Which is the 6th month of the year? June. Which is the 12th month of the year? December. How many days are there in a year? 365. In which month we are वेयर यू बोर्न, आप कौन से मंथ में पैदा हुए वो आप अपने हिसाब से लिख देना, जैसे मैंने लिख रखा है JANUARY जनवरी। ओके।